Hi, my name is Kennedy, and I'm going to explain Unilever's value chain analysis and VRIO analysis. So first, with the value chain analysis is supply chain management. Unilever has a connected supply chain that focuses on delivering products, services, and value that are superior to competitors. Unilever has 53,800 suppliers in 161 countries, with logistics and operations in 109 countries, contract manufacturers in 82 countries, and raw material suppliers in 90 countries. So this is a very complex yet successful activity. Unilever also practices corporate social responsibility and efforts to responsibly manage many relationships every day with everyone involved with the company. There is a weakness in this activity though because Unilever depends heavily on sourcing. So if their suppliers fail to deliver the raw materials, the company's production will decrease. Overall supply chain management is a strength. The second value chain activity is operations. Unilever strives for product quality in all their products and applies a threshold for defects and issues in the operations of production. Unilever ranks first over its competitors for product quality and fourth in Employee Net Promoter Score, which tracks how likely current employees are to recommend working at Unilever. Unilever employs 148,000 people globally and has a steady retention rate and is in the top 20% of similar sized companies. Within this activity, there is a weakness, which is some of Unilever's products are easily imitatable by others. Overall, the operations activity is a strength. The third value chain activity is distribution. Unilever has packaging suppliers in 81 countries, 450 logistics warehouses globally that distribute products to millions of sales outlets and retailers in 190 countries. Unilever relies on a successful distribution network that depends on outlets and retailers around the world to sell their products in their stores. But there is a high competition within this industry, though, through products and market share. Overall, this activity can be improved. The fourth value chain activity is marketing. Unilever has a loyal customer base and strong global presence. 3.4 billion people use Unilever products every day. Unilever has a 60 billion in euros turnover in 2022, with 59% in emerging markets. Unilever utilizes a differentiation strategy that emphasizes on features or characteristics that make the company's product stand out against competitors. Overall, this activity can be improved because their efforts are easily imitated. The fifth and final value chain activity is follow-up service. Unilever has a strong customer network and loyalty. Unilever strives for continual improvements through monitoring and tracking customer feedback. Due to this commitment, Unilever has decreased marketplace incidents by 70%. Overall, this activity can be improved. For the VRIO analysis, Unilever's global presence is a strong competitive advantage for the company. It is valuable because it allows the company to utilize its opportunities and be able to share their products around the world. It is rare because not every company can reach 2.5 billion in over 190 countries like Unilever can. For example, a competitor of Unilever and Johnson & Johnson is sold in only 175 countries. Their global presence is imitatable at a high cost, as other firms cannot easily develop a strong global presence like Unilever. It is also organized with a successful business structure, a more category-focused business. Unilever's production process is a valuable resource for the company because they have an effective use of logistics. It is also rare because not many companies are as big as Unilever and are able to have 53,800 suppliers in 161 countries. It can be imitated by some companies who operate on that scale and can afford to. It is highly organized and fully utilized. Their production process is not a strong competitive advantage, but it helps Unilever move forward as a temporary competitive advantage. Unilever has a loyal customer base, which is an intangible resource. This is valuable because it allows Unilever to have trust in their customers to buy their products over competitors. It is rare, though, because it is hard for a company to achieve. It can be imitated by other companies by investing in their customer base. It is organized because Unilever connects with their customers. Therefore, it is a temporary competitive advantage because it can be imitated. Unilever's manufacturing and its quality of products is a competitive advantage. It is valuable because it creates opportunities for Unilever to innovate. It is rare because not many companies have quality in their products. It is costly to imitate because it would take a lot of investments to achieve high quality. It is organized because Unilever strives for quality in all their products, therefore, it is a strong competitive advantage. Unilever has a capability in retaining and motivating employees. It is valuable because it is super important to have good retention and a happy workforce to be successful. It is not rare, though other companies just have just as strong of a workforce. It is regularly imitated by other companies in the same industry and other industries. It is organized through procedures and policies Unilever has in place for their employees, therefore, it is a temporary competitive advantage. Competitive parity. Apologize. It is a competitive parity. Unilever's marketing is good through effective promotion and customer service. It is valuable because they compete based on differentiation strategy. It is not rare because many companies have strong marketing like Procter & Gamble. It can be easily imitated through effective promotion and a presence of customer service. It is organized because Unilever has successful marketing strategies. Therefore, it is also a competitive parity. Now, Drew will talk about Unilever's financial analysis and corporate level strategy.